Hello dear students, so let us go through the mock test question paper of political science. So here the questions are here, so I have already ticked the correct answers, so you can just refer it so that it will help you in your preparation before you go for your first semester examination. So let us go through it. So altogether total 80 questions are here, 80 questions are there. That means each question is there again with the question sub parts are also there. So each and every questions carries 1 marks. Okay, time allotted is 1 hour. So this is the question paper given to the students to check their performance before they get ready for their semester 1 examination, which is going to be held very soon. So let us go through it. Question number 1. So mostly the questions are from the book only. Okay, so number 1, totalitarian state is totally opposed to option D, democracy. Authoritarian state is governed by powerful ruler, military dictator. Both A and B is correct. Okay, then next one we have, just a minute. So next one we have, liberal democracy involves the concept of limited government. Number 4, an authoritarian state tolerates the presence of civil society, mass media. So correct answer is both A and B. In authoritarian state, government is based on controlled public participation. Participation of the people is there, but in a controlled manner. Okay. Number 6, authoritarian state has controlled pluralism. Number B is correct. Then next one, just temp, that means typing error is here. So it is totalitarian state has forced legitimacy. Okay, so the yellowish part, the correction I have already done. Totalitarian state has forced legitimacy. Then number 8, in liberal democratic state, government is based on public opinion, right? Number 9, in a unitary state, the status of local government depends upon will of the central government. Number 10, the term federation is derived from the Latin word be, that is feudus. Okay, number 11, the rigid constitution is essential federation to prevent unilateral amendments. Number 12, in a parliamentary government, the executive has two parts. Okay, political executive and permanent executive. The next one, who is the nominal executive of India? Who is the nominal executive of India? Nominal executive, that is, sorry, the answer is wrong. So nominal executive in India is the president. Okay, so let me correct it properly. This one is the correct one. Okay, so I'll highlight it also. Okay, so B is the correct answer, this one is wrong. Okay, so who is the nominal executive in India? The president. The next one, in a parliamentary government there is a close and continuous relationship between legislature and executive. Correct. In political, homogeneity is compulsory in which one of the following political setup? A, parliamentary government. Number 16, in a presidential system the ministers are individually responsible to the president. Okay, in a presidential system. Then number 17, in United States there is a separation of power between the Congress and the president. The next, number 18, what type of constitution exists in France? Written constitution. Okay, what is constitution? The body of judicial rules, fundamental law of the state, body of rules or laws. So all the three are correct. Okay, so all the above is correct. Okay, D, D is missing over here, so this all the above is option number D. Now what are conventions? Unwritten informal practice or rules of conduct. C is the correct answer. Section B, again there will be 2 marks question, 2 questions will be given, so each question will be of 1 mark. Okay, so bicameral legislature, one which has 2 houses. So which among the following countries are bicameral legislature? Among these 4, Japan. Japan is the correct answer. Number 2, which among the following countries has unicameral legislature? China. Then the Lok Sabha is the lower house of Union Parliament. What is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha? So D is the correct answer. Which of the following houses the power of which of the following has the power of Rajya Sabha? That means, okay, question little bit of mistake is here. Which of the following has the power of Rajya Sabha? Is the, that means which of the following is the power of Rajya Sabha? So here also spelling little printing mistake, Rajya Sabha. So number C is the correct. So which of the following has, or which of the following is the power of Rajya Sabha? Here also mistake is there, so here it should be is. Okay, which of the following is the power of Rajya Sabha? Okay, Rajya Sabha. So C, approval, emergency declaration, Lok Sabha stand dissolved. C is the correct one. Number 23, Senate is the most powerful second chamber in the world. So which among the following are special powers of the Senate? So power to ratify treaties, court of impeachment. So both A and B is correct. Okay, C is the correct answer. Number 2, member of House of Representatives elected for 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. So correct answer is none of the above. Okay, so it is members of House of Representatives are elected for 2 years. Okay, so options here it is not given. So all A, B and C are incorrect. So none of the above. So number 24, totalitarian and authoritarian state have a large number of similarities and differences between two is one and degree and not a kind. So totalitarian state has forced legislation is correct. Authoritarian state has pluralism, here mistake, so here it is controlled pluralism. Okay, B it should be controlled pluralism, so B is the correct answer. Then number 25, since in a federal constitution there has to be affected a division of power, so dash constitution is must for federation, so written constitution. Okay, number 2, which is the oldest unitary state in the world? B, United Kingdom. Number 26, India is neither a federation nor a unitary state, as it has both federal as well as unitary features. So one of the subsidiary unitary feature Indian union of state is single integrated judiciary. D is the correct option. Number 2, India is a dash state, so just be careful over here, federal, unitary, union. Okay, that means India is a union state, so it should be union of state. India is a union of states. Okay, C is correct. Then 27, what is the nature of relationship between legislature and executive in a parliamentary form of government? Close relationship. Number 2, executive is not directly responsible to the dash form of government, so presidential form of government. B is correct. 28, which one of the following is a convention in India? So prime minister can be from either house of the parliament. D is the correct answer. Number 2, dash convention emerged. So which convention emerged after the historic judgment of Marbury versus Madison case? So it is judicial review. Article 74 of the Constitution provides for only the Council of Ministers and makes no mention of cabinet. Okay, on the basis of this, cabinet is a part of dash, so Council of Ministers. 2, cabinet ministers are chosen by the Prime Minister. Then number 30, who elects the member of Rajya Sabha, member of State Legislative Assembly? What is the tenure of Rajya Sabha? 1/3 of its members retire after every second year, so it is a fixed house, that means a permanent body. The tenure of a House of Representative is fixed. So what is the tenure of the House of Representative? 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. So here the answer is none of the above. Okay, so the House of Representative has a term of 2 years. Okay, none of the above. So next one, after the dash amendment, so which amendment? That both male and female who have attained the age of 18 were entitled to vote. So after the 26th amendment, senator can speak twice in a single day on any measures for many minutes or hours. The longest filibustering speech on record was made in 1953 by Senator Morrison of Oregon, who spoke for how many hours? 22 hours 26 minutes. Okay, so next one, who is the presiding officer of the Senate? Vice President. Number 33, who has the power to elect one candidate as the President of USA if no candidate secures the absolute majority of the votes? House of Representatives. PEC is a special body which is constituted especially after every 4 years for electing President and the Vice President. So the answer is both A and B. 34, the political executive consists of executive head of the state and the other political heads of the executive department. So to whom are the civil servants answerable and accountable to? Political executive. Okay, civil servants are accountable to the political executive. Political executive once elected remain in office up to the age of retirement. 35, the President of USA is elected by the PEC, Presidential Electoral College. How many members are nominated by the President of India to the Parliament? 14. 36. Both the Prime Minister. So accordingly, the Cabinet in USA is responsible to the President. That means Cabinet in USA is responsible to the President. Policy making in India is a function of Cabinet. Okay. 37. Article 75 declares that ministers hold office during the pleasure of the President. No confidence motion in Lok Sabha is passed by the opposition party. Power to get the legislature dissolved belongs to the Prime Minister of India. 38. Senate is the upper house of US Congress. It represents the state of US Federation. What is the strength of the Senate? 100. What is the strength of the Senate? 100. What is the tenure of the Senate's member? 6 years. 39. The power to initiate an impeachment bill to remove the President of USA is with the House of Representatives. Number 2. Whose consent is required to introduce the budget in the Lok Sabha? The President. 40. The President of India exercises emergency powers on the advice of Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. In case of war, which emergency will be proclaimed? National emergency. Okay. C. 41. Who makes decision in this type of state? By the ruler. In a totalitarian state, who makes the decision? By the ruler. Which type of party exists in it? One party. Press and means of mass media are owned and run by the state. Forced legitimacy exists in totalitarian state. 42. Money bill can be introduced in Lok Sabha with the prior consent of the President. Rajya Sabha can delay money bill by 14 days. In case of deadlock in passing a bill, joint sitting is summoned by the President. Who can authorize Parliament to make laws on the state list? State legislature. 43. Who all constitutes the political executive? All the three, A, B and C. Okay, all the above. Permanent executives are also called white collar class. White collar class. Okay. Dash is accountable to the people. Political executives are accountable to the people. Okay. Permanent executives are all the above. That means professional, they are trained, professional, expert class. So all the above is correct. 44. What is the tenure of the President? 4 years. Power to initiate the impeachment bill to remove the President of USA is with the House of Representatives. Who was the first president in US history to resign from office? Richard Nixon. Presidential secretaries are appointed by the President. 45. Amendment in US Constitution is rigid. 27 amendments have been so far possible in USA. Okay. 3. Simple majority. British Constitution can be amended by simple majority. In which article of Indian Constitution powers and procedures of amendment is mentioned? So article number 368. So dear students, hope this video will help you a lot in your preparation for your first semester exam. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if this video has been beneficial for you, please do comment in the comment box. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.